Hello guys, today I would like to introduce one of our customer battery pack to you, and this battery pack is 4S7P 40.8 volts and 24.5 amps battery pack, and you can see that this battery pack is equipped with Anderson connector for discharge, and the four side is wrapped by the blue shrink PVC, and also we have chargers to compatible with this battery pack. And you can see that this charger green light is on. That means we can use this charger to charge this battery pack. And also we have a plastic case to put the battery pack inside it. And this case is special customized for this battery pack.